Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will provide you a free warm tone preset for Photoshop, which will make your images more better than manual editing. So let's start our tutorial. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And if you want to download this preset, then check the link in the description of this video. And watch this video till end, because the preset file is password protected and the password will show in two parts in the corner of this video. So let's start our video. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. These are some images which I will use in this video. First we will make our preset on our this image. Then we will save that settings as a preset file. Then apply that preset on our these images. First press Ctrl+Shift+A to open Camera Raw and make adjustments to make a warm tone. As you can see this, that how easily we make our that farm tone in Camera Raw. So now press OK. So now I have saved these settings as a preset file, and now we will apply that preset on our these images. Press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Simply click here, select Load Settings, and select your warm tone preset and press Open. It will automatically color grade your image like this one. Press Ctrl Shift A, click here, select Load Settings, select your preset, press OK. So as you can see this, that how quickly we edit our images by using this Camera Raw preset. So I hope you guys will like this preset. If you like this preset, then please share this video with your friends, and like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And if you want to support this channel financially, then my Patreon link is in the description of this video.